Double wall casings. HEMCO manufactures double wall casings with joints made through a special rolling forging process using an extremely high strength wear resistant steel alloy. In order to provide adequate structural capacity against torsion and crushing, especially when the double wall casings are used in conjunction with casing oscillators, steel bars fabricated in the shape of spirals are painstakingly welded to the inner side of the outer casing tube. HEMCO has designed special shoes for casings utilizing HC34 or HC39 flat teeth. The shoes can be welded onto standard casings and help provide a sound and easy to maintain and replaceable cutting edge to the casings. The casing shoe helps protect the casing body and at the same time leads to ease in installing the casing because cutting of the formation is done by HC34 or HC39 teeth, and this less friction is imposed on the casing as it is rotated in place. Moreover, because of the quickly changeable teeth, little time is lost in replacing the teeth. We use Hardix 450 or equivalent plate for extra protection. HEMCO manufactures diaphragm wall cutters and CSM cutters with round shank chisel and flat teeth. Round shank chisel wheels are suitable for trench excavation in dense formation, cobbles, weathered rock and hard rock. Flat teeth cutting wheels are suitable for excavation in all type of soils including clays, shales, cobbles and weathered rock. The typical panel weights provided are 640 mm, 800 mm, 1000 mm, 1200 mm and 1500 mm.